mind. How you ease me.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I actually don't know if it's morning when you're watching this. It's morning for us. I actually just made our coffees. Julia is brushing her teeth right now and we're about to go hang out on the back porch. But this is gonna be a fun little video of what I eat in a day. But wanted to quickly say thank you to Walmart Plus for sponsoring today's video. This is gonna be really fun and we're excited to jump on in, so let's do it.
We're on our porch this morning drinking our coffees, and we were talking, we were like, we should do another what I eat in a day because you guys really liked the last one.
Well, that was more of like our healthy what I eat in a day. We thought it'd be fun to just show like what we would normally eat in a day that
we're not being so
strict on ourselves
healthy.
Or like, but we still like would have like this morning we're gonna have our smoothie. That's kind of our everyday no matter what.
Yeah.
But just show you like tonight we might have some tacos or some sandwiches or like, you know, just kind of keep it casual.
Yeah, I think like summertime we usually try to be like super healthy, but it's the end of summer, so we're, you know, allowing ourselves to have a little bit more fun meals. And we wanted to make like tacos tonight or maybe try a new chicken recipe. We haven't decided yet.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
we're tired.
just a normal what I eat it. I know.
It's Monday morning.
Monday morning. We had some tequila last night and some cookies, so we're feeling a little
groggy.
And that's what's nice about the smoothie, is it kind of a good reset, especially after you've had like sugar or alcohol.
Yeah. And a lot of times y'all know in the mornings we work out at 8:30 in the morning. Sometimes on Mondays, lately on Mondays we've been working out at 4:30.
Just so we can sleep in
so we can sleep in a little bit after the weekend and then do the evening workout. Anyway. I
know, it's nice though to do the afternoon workout today. Yes, so what I'm gonna do, usually Monday morning I'll do an online grocery delivery. I will figure out a couple meals for the week and then just do delivery. I'm going to go ahead and plan out some meals, get that delivered really fast, and then we can even like have it by lunchtime, make lunch, dinner, all that stuff. So, do we want to do tacos tonight?
We already have stuff for smoothies.
Yeah, we have stuff for smoothies. I'll probably re-up on a few things.
And then we can kind of do like more of like a, it's funny because like lunch I would still do like a snack plate or something.
I know.
So we're saying this is like our not healthy or non-healthy what we eat, but it's kind of normal.
Right. Yeah, more normal.
We eat pretty healthy.
Yeah. I was thinking, remember that chicken we had in Florida, that like chicken with the lemon capers?
That would be yummy. We can also, we could do it on the skillet on the stove. Like brown it.
Yeah, and then we'll bread it, and then I thought we could do mashed potatoes or something. And like veggies.
Or like baked potatoes.
Yeah, it was good with mashed though, because it was like the crunchy crust and then the mashed potatoes.
Can you order Yukon potatoes?
Yeah. I'm gonna do that right now.
Yukon mashed potatoes.
Okay, so
chicken.
We're gonna go ahead and place that. We already have had iced Americanos this morning. I already drank mine. It's done, but Hunter's finishing his. You guys already know. Nut pods, water, and espresso.
We always get questions about these glasses. These are beer glasses.
Yeah. And
they make the perfect
like tall coffee glasses.
Iced Americano glasses.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place that order, and then we'll make a smoothie here in a little bit. Walmart groceries have arrived. I recently joined the Walmart Plus membership. It's incredible. You basically get free same-day delivery on all of your groceries. It'll just sync you up with like the closest Walmart store, and then you can order it and it'll come for free with the membership. And that's with the $35 minimum order, which is not hard to hit at all if you have to get a few things for the week. So it's been so amazing, and they actually have like a lot of really good organic high quality produce, meat, stuff like that. Their organic mini cucumbers are so good. I actually want one of those right now. They're already rinsed. So I've got fresh herbs, lemons, and stuff for our dinner tonight, and some things for lunch. So really fast, but you guys can check them out. I will have it linked in the description box down below. And you can do like a free trial to see how you like it. And what's nice about ordering your groceries from Walmart too is that you can get anything else in the store. So let's say you also need like paper towels, toilet paper, maybe like, I don't know, like anything that you need for the house, you could just get there, which is a little bit different than normal grocery stores because Walmart is like the end all. So love it. Check them out below. Oh my god, Wait, I thought the bananas were single, so I said 5 bananas. Oh my god. Oh no. I got 5 bundles of bananas. I did not mean to do that. Oopsies. Oh my god, bananas for days. Well, this is what I do anyways, is I just, I let them ripen and then I freeze them for smoothies. So I guess I'll just have like literally months of bananas frozen. And that's just what I'll do with them. But that's my favorite way to freeze bananas for smoothies anyways. That's really funny. They're only $1.49, so I was like, sure, that's just for 1 banana, right? Because they're organic, but that's a really good price for organic bananas. Anyways. Okay, I am going to work on making a smoothie. Hunter's making some eggs this morning. I think he's feeling a different vibe.
I still want a smoothie, but I'm making just like 3 eggs with some bacon.
I'll show you, but in a second. This smoothie, I talked about it in the last What I Eat in a Day, but it basically sets you up for your blood sugar to be balanced all day, and especially if I drink alcohol or I have sugar, it is the best reset in the world. There's nothing that like sets you up better for like an amazing day but the smoothie. So I'm desperately needing it. I didn't drink it all weekend, so I really want it. Okay, so I've actually been kind of switching up the flavor of my smoothie lately. And been doing like an almond butter raspberry situation. So you want one, right, Hunter?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got this cashew milk and put all the things in it, but we'll do frozen raspberries and almond butter instead of regular berries and all that.
Okay, made the eggs, put a little bit of bacon bits. I made the bacon yesterday, just a half throughout the week, and then throw in a little bit of, just a little bit of cheddar on top. There you go.
I swear, after like feeling like crap, this is the best thing ever.
Best thing ever.
You can taste the health.
I'm gonna try
So,
the protein.
got some eggs, smoothies.
There you go.
Yeah, actually that looks so good.
Coming right up.
Oh my god, we made
breakfast tacos yesterday.
We made burritos. We made the best burritos you've ever had in your life. Oh my god. We've got to do a tutorial on them because they are so good.
Really easy and basic. Or simple.
We're gonna do that. We're liking the What I Eat in a Day. We were like, why don't we do more than this? We love food. We're big foodies. We should do more of What We Eat in a Day. So we're gonna continue to do them because we have so many fun food ideas, I feel like.
We should do it What I Eat in a Day on vacation. We still, when we were on our vacation recently, we took our smaller blender with us, and we made our smoothies the whole time. It was so good for on vacation.
So good. Keeps you like in check. I really realized like how balancing these smoothies are, and when we don't drink them, I'm pretty off. Or
it's cool because like it was like an addition to the routine.
we noticed too after reading the Body Love book, which we talked about in our last What I Eat today, they talk a lot about sugar and what it does to you, and I just noticed whenever we eat sugar or have alcohol, it like totally throws off like everything. That's so good. Yeah. We'll see you guys at lunch. I have no idea what we're doing for lunch yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay, it is lunchtime and I'm going to throw together a salad. Ugh. Little salad, I think. So in the Walmart delivery, I got this organic half and half lettuce mix. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, maybe like 2 generous handfuls of that over here. And I'm gonna make a dressing really fast. Let's see. All right, so I'm just gonna make a little dressing. I always like making homemade dressings. I feel like they taste so much better and it takes literally 5 seconds to make. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of olive oil, maybe, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. You really don't need that much. A little garlic salt, some oregano, And then I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon in. Squeeze some lemon. Seriously, so easy. You could even could do Dijon mustard if you wanted, but just gonna keep it really, really simple. Especially like lunch, I feel like I don't wanna like break for a big time for lunch, so I always want it to be really fast. I'm just gonna drizzle that over the leaves and then toss those all together. Beautiful. Okay, so do that. Then we love this company in Nashville. They make homemade chicken salads, enchiladas. It's like classic Southern cooking. And their chicken salad is amazing. So it's a tarragon almond chicken salad. We almost get a tub of this like every week, literally, to snack on with like crackers, chips, salads, whatever. So I'll probably do about, I don't know, I would say like 1/4 of a cup on top of the greens. And then I am obsessed with these crackers. These are the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. So they're gluten-free and they're really good. Like I find when I just want a little crunch with my salad, or if I want to dip them in hummus, and they don't make me bloated, they don't upset my stomach. They're made with good oils and all that stuff. So I've been buying these more and more, and I try not to buy traditional, like, I don't know, like manufactured chips and crackers. I feel like with just not good ingredients. So since the Whole30, I found these and I really like them. And I'll kind of just like dip the crackers in there with the greens and the chicken salad. So let me show you close up. All right, so there you have it. And then I'm just gonna crack some fresh pepper on top. And that literally took 5 minutes. And that's all I'm doing. So that's lunch, made it work. Also working on drinking water as well. I'm gonna try and do at least, I don't know, like 60 ounces today. So I'm probably about like halfway done with that. So good and simple, fast, easy. I'm gonna see you for dinner. I think we're gonna make our chicken piccata with mashed potatoes. Alrighty, we just got home from the gym and we are getting ready to prep dinner. Got everything out and we are going to be making like a breaded chicken piccata. We had a similar dish when we were on our last trip by the beach, and I really liked it. I was like, I always like taking inspiration from, if I really like something at a restaurant, trying to make it at home. So that's what we're gonna do. Booker's playing with the Frisbee, if you're hearing weird things in the back. Don't knock over the camera. Okay. We're gonna make it with mashed potatoes. I'm gonna cut the potatoes in smaller chunks just so they kind of cook faster. These are the gold potatoes from my Walmart delivery.
The sous chef has arrived. They call me Sue.
Great, Sue.
I have about 10 minutes before I have to go back to work.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna set up our dipping station for our chicken. Okay, so we've got organic chicken breast here.
It is flour first. That's how anytime you're making any kind of like
breaded thing.
breaded thing, you do flour. A lot of people think they do egg first before the flour, so the flour
I would think
sticks.
that too,
But you put the flour, then the egg, and then the panko sticks to that.
yeah, expert.
They don't call me Sue for nothing. So it goes the flour,
They know.
then the egg.
We're gonna get the potatoes.
Just plopping the taters into the boiling water. Then tates. Then taties.
This is disgusting.
Like tater tots.
I know.
Taties. Then big O taties. Those are some Tig-O baties.
Oh my God.
Popping in them tates.
I hate that.
Taties.
I don't like that.
You got Juge, Sue, and Boo. Damn, Boo.
All right, so we're gonna sear the chicken first in our cast
Lay it
iron.
away from you
Oh, stop. Oh my
to
God.
prevent splashings.
It's so annoying.
Away. Perfect.
Here, I got it. If you wanna like go, you can go. I'm not really doing anything. Go. Gorge.
Excuse you. Excuse me, sir. Could you please remove yourself from the kitchen? You are not helping whatsoever. Thank you.
Alright, for the next round, I'm gonna add some butter. That just wasn't really working for me. We weren't getting as brown as we wanted. Now we've breaded all the chicken. Pop it in the oven. 375.
Alrighty.
Ready to mash. Start with the barrel.
Super well.
What?
Have you used it?
No, I'm not.
Then it's like on a spring.
Yeah, that's nice. Should we just add some garlic? Alright, now I'm making the sauce to go on top. So I just did a little bit of Pinot Grigio. Now we're adding lemon. Whoops, I'm gonna take the seeds out. Okay, we're gonna try and plate this. See how it turned out. I'm not sure at all. Some potatoes. Chicken. Okay. Got our sauce. Save it. That's it. I know it's not super fancy, but we're gonna try it, see how it is. Pepper. And salt.
We probably told y'all I'm redoing my office. We probably told that a few times. This has been my workstation for the past week or so.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Yum. It's delicious. Potatoes are good.
What do you think?
I like it.
Pretty good. Not bad for a first round.
Well done.
Good
Crushed it.
textures. We're gonna get better at it.
We like.
I'm gonna try it again. Okay.
Well done. All right, just finished dinner and heading to the park to let Mr. Wildman run around.
Booker
Hey,
Havens!
Wildman, come here, buddy.
Booker Havens!
You ready for the park? Let's go.
You're ready.
All right, we just got home from the park and Booker's tired. I'm tired.
We're gonna go get ready for bed, but we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And thank you again to Walmart Plus for sponsoring today's video. We'll see you next time.